Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that you all are doing well. I'm your teacher Fatima Ayaz from the Nexus Education System Bahawalpur campus head office branch. Today I have prepared this lecture for class 8 and the topic that we are going to study is creative writing. And the topic for creative writing is Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. So, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan has worked in the field of physics, in the field of atomic bombs, in the field of scientist, and he is a well-known personality of Pakistan. Firstly, he wasn't working in Pakistan. Firstly, he was working in abroad in some other country, and after that, when he realized that yes, his country needs him the most, he came back to his country and worked from dusk till dawn. We are going to write an essay on this great personality, our national hero, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. How you are going to start the essay? I have prepared some bullet points and you are going to keep that bullet points in your mind, and please write the essay by your own. This will increase your creativity skills. Don't copy it from internet, and this is not gonna help you in the future if you are just copying the stuff from internet. Proceeding further, the introductory paragraph that we are going to write, it must include about education, about the asset, about the struggle, about the national hero. So how you're write down these points in a paragraph, in the starting paragraph. So in the starting paragraph, you may tell the listener, you may tell the reader that education is always an asset for the country. Education brings the light to the nation, to the country, and it gives the lightning towards struggle and prosperity. And you may add some quotes relatable to struggle, and then there are some people who struggle a lot for the well-being of the country, like Qaid-e-Azam, Allama Iqbal, and you may give other examples also, and then you can come towards a specific word, that is national hero, that there are various national heroes and they are up to the mark according to their field and what they have done. You may just give a glimpse of it, that yes, education is important, it is the asset of our country, it is the asset of a nation, and struggle is always the requirement for the prosperity of the nation. And those people who are just working for the country, who are working hard, who are working dusk till dawn, are the national hero, and these are those. And you may write it according to your own sense, but these are the points that I have mentioned. You can utilize them. So this will be introductory paragraph. And yes, at the end of this introductory paragraph, you may end it like it that the national hero that today I'm gonna write about is Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, और उनको जो दिया गया था नेम दिया गया था पर्टिकुलरली, वो आप दे सकते हैं या आप अपनी तरफ से कुछ बना सकते हैं, डॉक्टर ऑफ एटॉमिक बॉम्ब और समथिंग लाइक दैट, या hero in the field of physics, hero in the field of technology and science, what else you want to give. Next, in the second paragraph, you're gonna mention the biography of Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. His date of birth, where he was born, the city, the country, and what was his education, his university, school, as well as other. What were his interests and how he got into the field of atomic energy and scientist and relatable to science and technology. So you're gonna mention it in the second paragraph. After that, in the third paragraph, you're gonna discuss how he created the atomic bomb and how it helped the country, and what were the after effects, and how he gained popularity, and all of the stuff relatable to atomic bomb and his works towards the country. So you're gonna describe it in a detailed paragraph. So that will be your paragraph number 3. And in the last paragraph, you're gonna conclude everything, and in the conclusion you may give a message, or you may write some ending notes for Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, or you may conclude it like giving the summary of the essay, or what else. A message will be quite more suitable, that yes, how we can struggle for the country, how we can aim towards success, and you may end it with a single quotation. Also, you may end it with the verse or two or three verses of a poem. So that was all for your creativity. I hope that you have understood it. If you feel any kind of difficulty, do contact me. I'm always here for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. We will meet soon in the next lecture, inshallah. Take care of yourselves as well as your family. Allah Hafiz.